Hi, my name is Jim Cunningham. Welcome to the Emerson Exchange Studio. Today we're going to be looking at how pandemic-inspired investments in edge analytics can be leveraged to eliminate defects and unplanned downtime. With me in the studio is an expert on the subject, Erik Lindhjem from Emerson. Erik, thanks so much for joining us.
My pleasure. Happy to be here.
Erik, the global pandemic rocked the foundation of process manufacturing. What was the most obvious impact?
Almost overnight, organizations had to find ways to continue to operate with fewer people in the plants and less predictability in the daily schedules. The result was an increased and immediate need in automated remote solutions to help monitor and maintain plant equipment and operations.
As the effects of the pandemic now gradually recede, what's the situation today?
The most successful process manufacturers not slowing their adoption. They're taking advantage of the insights gained and the new investments they made in the edge and the condition monitoring technologies prior to and during the pandemic. These insights have helped them to navigate two intertwined trends, if you will, currently shaping the global marketplace: a need for a more connected digital workforce and a drive to increase sustainability.
And what adaptations and upgrades initially made during the pandemic are manufacturers using to keep pace with these two trends?
Connectivity upgrades in the plants made during the pandemic, it can be a perfect springboard for additional technologies to increase the effectiveness of their reliability actions. Leveraging the comprehensive software tools, the edge analytic devices, help the teams to unlock faster returns on investment, demonstrable gains in performance, efficiency, sustainability.
Can you shed a little light on what happened immediately after the pandemic hit and how this has impacted the post-pandemic landscape?
Sure. So the manufacturers who had already experimented with remote connectivity and advanced automation were much better positioned to weather the storm of the pandemic. Even those that were prepared quickly saw the need and started to pilot projects to try to maintain operational efficiency. And many implemented easy-to-install edge analytic devices like the AMS Asset Monitor and predictive intelligence software solutions like AMS MachineWorks.
Which did what?
They brought critical data to key personnel who could no longer be in the plants in control rooms because of the social distancing restrictions. Teams also quickly installed more sensors, connected them to cloud-enabled asset management software. Also, the cloud capability enabled offsite personnel to continuously monitor asset health and receive intuitive alerts when the equipment in the plant began to fail. As social distancing restrictions began to ease, plants using fit-for-purpose industrial condition monitoring solutions, that very tools that enabled the remote monitoring of equipment, also provided a pathway to a more mobile and digital workforce. These continuous condition monitoring tools operating at the edge untethered personnel from manual inspection rounds by providing the delivery of asset health data.
And today, post-pandemic?
Today, these newly empowered digital workers receive instant, intuitive, actionable information really anywhere at any time. This allows them to respond faster and more effectively to problems. Also frees them to work higher value tasks such as pursuing sustainability initiatives, increasing performance.
What about looking a little into the future?
Fully unlocking these capabilities and ensuring the work efficiently and reliability across the plant equipment lifecycle requires further collaboration with IT. This will enable IT to use technology for remote connecting to edge analytics and data. Also allows organizations to contextualize it to be able to continuously improve insights into the health and reliability of plant operations.
What are some examples of how that might work in a practical setting?
Sure. So the reliability teams that have begun working with their IT partners look beyond the health of individual assets and focus on the holistic health of the plant. Using data from the edge, devices like, again, the Emerson AMS Asset Monitor, these teams track, trend, analyze information from sensors around the plant to identify big picture problems. Intuitive plant health software like Emerson's AMS MachineWorks collects, contextualizes data from disparate systems, combines them with analytics from the edge to track, trend, health of the entire systems. Using the data from the sensors, the maintenance records, the inspection notes, the computerized maintenance management systems, the calibration data, more reliable, the teams can work to understand what's happening, empowering them to identify, isolate, and solve the biggest problems.
If people want to know more where can they go?
Sure. If you want to see the newest technologies driving innovation at the edge, empowering plant personnel to make safer, better, faster decisions, there's a wealth of information available at emerson.com/AMS.
Erik, thanks so much for being here. We appreciate it. And thank you for joining us at the Emerson Exchange Studio.